In today's video, I want to show you how to compare integers. If you watch my other videos, you know that an integer is a positive whole number, a negative whole number, or zero. A fraction or a decimal is not considered an integer. So now that you know what an integer is, let's talk about how you compare them. And when we do that, we're going to be using the less than and greater than symbols. Let's look at our first example, which is a really easy one. Which is greater, 4 or negative 4? Well, I always like to think about how much money I would like to have in my bank account, as that would be the greatest amount. Would you rather have $4 or negative $4? Of course, you'd rather have 4, so 4 is greater than negative 4. But let's look at the next example. This one's not so obvious. Which one is greater, negative 4 or negative 8? Well, at a first glance, you may look at the numbers and say, well, 8's bigger than 4, but that's not exactly how we need to look at it. Let's look at it closely using a number line. If we focus on positive integers, you will see that as we move to the right, the numbers get greater. So if we look at the negative integers and identify negative 4 and negative 8, we see that negative 4 is closer to 0 than negative 8 is. Would you rather have negative $4 or negative $8 in your account? Well, since negative 4 is closer to 0 and negative 8 is further away, I would rather have the less negative number in my bank account, which means that 4 is greater than 8. So what you want to keep in mind is when you look at numbers on a number line, the number that is to the right is always going to be the greater number. Now that we've been through a couple of examples, I want you to try this one on your own. Which integer is greater, negative 23 or negative 20? Leave your answer in the comments. Good luck. If you found the video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and a subscribe as it helps the channel grow. If you have a topic you want to see covered, drop me a comment below and let me know. And as always, thanks for watching.